Why overpay for leads when you can get the same quality for a fraction of the cost? Discover how trustleads.io helps you generate leads cheaper than Apollo.io without compromising on accuracy or results. Are you ready to save big and scale faster? Let us dive in. Check out the links in the description for the tools used here. Apollo.io is a cloud-based sales automation tool. It serves as a tool for lead generation, contact database management, and email outreach. It is one of the largest business-to-business database with over 275 million professional contacts and over 70 million companies. You can search and filter through this extensive database to find ideal leads based on criteria such as job title, company size, and location. Next is Trust Leads. Trustleads.io is a service that sells verified email lists sourced from Apollo.io's database. It is used by businesses and business owners to purchase large volumes of email data for cold email marketing campaigns. Why you should use trustleads.io? Let us do the comparison now. Here is the pricing page for Apollo.io. You need to purchase a subscription before you can buy the export credits. Let me switch to monthly billing here. The monthly basic plan is $59 and it comes with 1000 export credits. Now suppose you want to purchase additional export credits. Let me say for example you want to purchase 10,000 more. If you click on 10K, at the bottom you will see the total price. The subscription cost $59 plus $400 for purchasing the additional 10K credits. Total it's going to be $459. Now let us look that up in trustleads.io. Here is the order form for the trustleads.io. Here you can see for the 10,000 emails, you can pay just $50. You can also buy 5,000 lead lists for minimum purchase of $25. Here you need to paste the URL from Apollo.io. Even if you exceed the lead list by 1,000 or more, you won't be charged anything extra. That means you can get 11,000 emails for the price of $50, whereas you will have to pay $459 for the same 11,000 email credits. That means totally you can save $409 while ordering 10,000 leads. Now let us go through the process. As you can see here, Trust Leads is showing you the steps you need to follow. First, we need to create Apollo filters and build the URL. Then we need to copy the URL and then paste it here. Once you submit the order form, it will take somewhere between 1 to 3 business days for you to receive your CSV file. Let us first do the first step of creating Apollo filters. In order to set it up, you need to sign up for an account. The account is free forever. Here is their pricing plan. As you can see, they offer this free account. You don't need to purchase any subscription in order to use the filter list. When you log into your Apollo account, click on this people icon. Now you can start building your list. Let us assume that you want to find leads for offering a sales proposal management solution. Let us expand this email status. I want to get only verified emails. I will check this box to get only verified emails. As you are building the filter list, you can see on the right hand side the results of your filter list. Then I want to apply filters to the job titles, and here click in this search for a job title field. I want to select owner, then consultant, sales manager, account manager, freelancer, marketing manager, founder, business development manager, operations manager, and small business owners. You can build this list as per your needs. Then let me collapse this. You can see here, these are the job titles I'm interested in. I also want to put a filter on number of employees. Let me expand this selection. I want to target companies that have 1 to 10 employees. Let me check that option. Let us collapse this. Then for location, I want to target US. Click on this locations drop down and then select US. You can even further narrow down your location here by going few more levels deep to state, or you can also select by the zip code. We are leaving it the country level United States. I also want to specify few keywords. Let me expand this industry and keywords. I want to include keywords such as CRM, proposal creation, flow, sales process, contract, and finally document. You can see now those keywords are added. You can see here now our list is about 7,200. Once you are satisfied with your filter criteria, you can copy the URL that is constructed here on the top. You can also save your search criteria for future use. You can click on this save as new search button. You can give a name here. Let me call it proposal leads. Then click on this create search button here. You can see it has created the saved search here. Now you can click on this drop down box. This is our search that has been created just now. You can also click on these three dots and more options are available here. For example, you want to edit it again, you can click on this edit, or you can duplicate this. You can also delete if you don't want. Now that we have finalized our list, let us click in this address bar and copy the entire URL by pressing Ctrl C. Now I have this whole URL. Now let us go to trustleads.io. Here you need to enter your name. I'm giving my name here, and here you need to enter your email ID. Then you can enter your phone number as optional. Then here you need to specify how many leads you want to scrape. There are other options such as you can give multiple URLs here and you can rush your order. There's another option to verify the leads. Even though we have specified we want only verified emails in Apollo, there still will be some emails that are not good. For that reason, you'll always need to verify again the complete email list so that you will be left with only the good emails. If you send emails to bad emails, your email deliverability will suffer, which may lead to poor results for your cold email marketing campaign. The most important step is here you need to paste the complete URL. Let me press Ctrl V here. We got the complete URL pasted here, and if you have any discount code you can enter here, and here for 10,000 leads you will have to pay $50. Then you need to sign the agreement here. Then finally click this submit order button. I recently bought 5,000 leads for $25. The list had more than 6,000 contacts. Still I was not charged anything extra for that. Once you submit your order, you will get an email from trustleads.io. Let me show you the email that I received. You can see the email confirmation from Trust Leads. Hello Shiva, we have received your order for lead data. This will be sent to you via email within 1 to 3 business days. Then after a couple of days, I received my order. Here is the second email. Hello Shiva, thank you for your order of business to business lead data, and they will send you a link that you can click and then you can download your CSV file from there. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section how it worked for you. If you need help building automated lead generations or setting up cold email machines for your marketing campaigns, please reach out to me. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section if there is any specific topic you want to be covered. Bye until next video.